Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm explaining how to move emails to subfolders in Outlook. Say for example we have a couple of emails here, security related, and we are considering this as a top priority or high important emails. So let's see how we can create a rule for this one. So what you need to do, you go to the home tab on the top and go to the rules section and go to create rule option, and you can check this option if you want to move all the emails from Google to a particular folder, but here we are only concerned about the security alert. So I'm going to choose only subject contains security alerts, and in default this is sent to openshamir@gmail.com. But if you have multiple emails and you need only one emails to be monitored, in this case you can choose this one. Here I'm leaving this as it is, and display in the new item alert window. Here you can choose this option to notify us, and this is the important part. Here you need to choose the folder, and here we are going to create a folder. Create new, the name of the folder security, security, and click on OK, and we can click on the advanced option. Here we can see with the condition security alert in the subject. Apply this rule after the message arrives with the security alert in the subject. Move it to the security folder and stop processing more rules. Click on next. What do you want to do with the message? Stop processing more, move it to the specified folder. That's it, and click on next. You can also make exceptions if you want. Here I'm not going to make any exceptions. Click on next, and we can straight away turn on this rule. And also we can do one thing. You can run the rule which is for the messages or emails already in the inbox. You can check this box so that we can test if it's working. And finally finish. So you can see here emails are being moved to the security. So if I go to this folder, I have 18 emails which is automatically moved to this security folder, and everything is with the subject security alert. Alright, so I hope you understood the video. In coming videos we will explain more about the rules in Outlook. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.